Hello friends, how are you? I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Sumeru Easy Accountancy Platform. Friends, today we are going to study the necessity of preparation of final accounts. In 11th standard, all of you studied the final accounts of proprietary concern. Like a proprietorship concern, partnership firm also has to prepare its final accounts to find out the net results of the business and to know the financial position of the business at the end of each financial year on the basis of trial balance and adjustments. So the final accounts consist of trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Now, I am discussing various steps undertaken by the partnership firm to prepare various accounts and final accounts. First step is entering different transactions chronologically in summarized form in journal or subsidiary books. Second step is transferring journal entries to necessary ledger accounts for individual records. Third step is balancing ledger accounts and find out their debit or credit balance, and on that basis preparation of trial balance. And lastly, the last step is preparing final accounts with the help of trial balance and adjustments. That means final account consists of three components. First one is trading account, second one is profit and loss account, and third one is balance sheet. Now we are going to discuss the importance or necessity of preparation of final accounts. First one, to find out the gross profit or gross loss made by the partnership firm. Secondly, to ascertain the net profit or net loss of the business. Third one, to know the financial position of the business during whole financial year. It means total assets and total liabilities of the partnership firm at the end of the financial year. An analysis of final accounts, it helps the business organization to know its financial soundness. It also helps to take the decisions like to purchase new assets, internal source of finance is available or not, how much fund can be raised from outsiders, or current resources are sufficient to pay current liabilities or not. So fourth one, to prepare various financial statements for future planning and forecasting of the business. Fifth one, to know exact amount receivable and amount payable by the business. That means exact debtors and exact creditors of the business during the financial year. Sixth one, to find out accounting ratios. There are number of ratios we can find out with the help of study of financial accounts, financial statements, such as current ratio, liquid ratio, gross profit ratio, operating ratio, net profit ratio, return on investment ratio, return on capital employed ratio, etc. Seventh point, to provide necessary financial documents to bank for loan purpose. Eighth one, to know the sources of funds and their application for expansion of partnership business. Ninth one, to ascertain the value of goodwill of the firm in case of admission, retirement, death of partner, and while doing dissolution of the firm. And lastly, to calculate tax liability of the firm. So, in this session, we studied the necessity of a preparation of final account. In my next video, I am going to discuss about the components of financial account or final account, that means trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So friends, I hope you may like this video. So thank you.